Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Metabase connected to Postgres for dashboards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Metabase installation file from the official website. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install Metabase on your machine. Once installed, launch Metabase to open the setup wizard. Select the option to create a new database. Choose Postgres as the database type from the list. Enter the connection details for your Postgres database. This includes the database name, username, password, and host information. Make sure to specify the correct port, typically 5432 for Postgres. Check the connection settings for accuracy and click on the Save button. If the connection is successful, you'll proceed to the next step. Now, set up an email address for your Metabase admin account. Fill in the required fields such as your name and password. Click on the Finish Setup button to complete the process. Once the setup is complete, you'll be directed to the Metabase homepage. Here, you can start exploring the dashboard options. Click on the Ask a Question button to create your first query. Select the Postgres database you connected earlier. Choose the table from which you want to pull data. Use the available filters and options to customize your query. After refining your query, click the Visualize button to see the results. Now, you can save this visualization to your dashboard. Give your dashboard a meaningful name and description. Continue adding more visualizations to create a comprehensive dashboard. Once finished, review your dashboard for clarity and usability. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Metabase connected to Postgres for your dashboards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.